Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the Guard Blinds custom blackout no drill blinds are, what it offers, and how they work. So let's get started. According to the official Guard Blinds website, Guard Blind are custom-made blackout blind designed to block outside light while requiring no drill. During the installation, the company says that each blind is made basically to fit your window's exactly measurements and uses a surrounding track system to help minimize light entering through the edges. According to the website, the blind features has a double layer honeycomb fabric made from non-woven polyester with a reflective thermal layer. The company says that this design helps block light, reduce heat transfer, and provide some noise reduction. The website also highlights that the cordless design making basically the blinds suitable for homes with children and pets. And to get started, first of all, you'll need to measure your window correctly. Before placing an order according to the website, each blind is custom made based on the measurements that you provide. So make sure to take some accurate measurements, and it's important for best fits for your windows. So if you click here on Shop a Guard as an example, the company of course also states or offers a measurements guide to help you with the process if you don't know how to do it. So once you measure it, and again if you don't know how to measure it, as we said, they offer a measure guide where you can just click here and they'll show you exactly how to measure and where to measure. So then you can use the units that you measured with, and you can choose the width, how many millimeters, the height, how many millimeters, and you'll be able to see the price here on the right. You can change the color, as example, if you want, of the fabric and also of the frame to match whatever you want. And you will be able simply to get it as it seems or as it said by the website. The website also said that they offer 90 or 30 night free or risk-free trial will get you free returns if you or if didn't meet what is promised and fit promise. Or for payments, as example, as it seems. Also, the website says that it has 100% light blockage, total darkness, blocks heat in summer, cold in winter, and high grade aluminum and premium polyester. Any details will be provided here. And before you want to order, you would like to check, as example, the window compatibility and see if it matches yours, how to measure, how to install, and shipping and returns information. All these informations are related and are very important to know before ordering. And of course, if you have any questions, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find some frequently asked questions. And if you have some questions that are not offered here, so for me, first of all, I'm opening all the answers right here. If you have some of those questions, so you can find basically the answer to those course, as we said, if you have other questions, you can find contact information at the bottom of each page. You can find the contact us option, and they will take you to your email app where you can basically send them an email, ask them whatever you want. And if you want to order, just go and click on add to cart once you enter your measurements. And of course, you can click on checkout. From there, you'll have to enter your shipping information and enter your payment details and follow the on-screen instructions that will follow for you. So before completing basically your order, it's always a good idea to double check your measurements and review the shipping, warranty, and return policy since the blinds are custom made. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.